Hi guys, welcome back to Polly's Paper Studio. This is Ginny and today's video is going to be a unboxing of my design team allotment from Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts. So these are all the fabulous chip bees that she sent me to work with. The first section here is my favorite, so I'll go through those first. These are all the frame chipboard elements. So this is a flourish frame marigold, flourish frame laurel, fleur and a flourish frame. This one is new. That's gorgeous. Doily flower frame. That one is new also. Flourished frame Leah. It's nice to have these square ones that I work really well for square cards, which I do make a lot of the time. And a flourish frame Missy. So this is nice for the 5 by 6.5 inch cards or 5 by 7. So this is great for that. I picked up a couple of holiday pieces here as well. Some very cute little Easter eggs. There's quite a lot of them in here, and there's some different designs to them, so that will be nice for my Easter project. So these are sugar skulls. They have 3 different sizes as well as 3 different patterns, so these will be great to use for Cinco de Mayo or for Halloween. There's a couple of smaller detail pieces here, like these little crowns. I see a lot of people putting these on their Tim Holtz paper dolls. There are hats here. How funny, little Viking and party and top hat. Here are some hardware silhouettes. Maybe these will be good for Father's Day cards. And then some very small Gothic cross miniatures. That might be nice for Easter too. Let's put that in the holiday pile. Here is Wings and Halo compass shape set. These are gorgeous. I think they may be really nice finished with a metallic embossing powder. These are very cool. Vintage bulbs. Feathers are gorgeous, and there are lots of sizes and shapes here. Simple feathers. They are very chunky, so they will take a finish that has a lot of detail. There's plenty of surface space for embossing powders or paints and alcohol inks. Mini puzzle. This is so fun. Here is a Wander title, Not All Who Wander Are Lost. It has a little bit of a compass shape in the center as well. A lot of companies are putting out travel themed collections, so that would be perfect. These I really love, the Altoid toppers, but you could use these also for like corners, and this is a topper as well, but with a different style. There are a couple of I call them architectural pieces in here. They're wrought iron miniatures, and once again I think you could definitely make that with a metallic finish or black, and that would look very gothic-y. Same concept here, but really large wrought iron set. So you could use these to make a large project or section them out like I would probably do and put portions of them on a card or a tag. Here is a honeycomb and bee set. Doesn't have a sticker, but that'll probably be easy to find in the shop. I love bees, and I think with summer coming up, I will definitely get lots of use out of these. These are really nice large bees as well, so might try a painting technique on that. Okay, so there are quite a few 3D type items in this allotment for this quarter, and I am probably not going to say this right, but it's bagatelle box, and there are 3 different sizes here, and so this one is 3 by 4, this one is 1.5 by 4, and this one is 1.5 by 3. And there are a few pieces that I think goes with it. Trading coasters. It seems like that would fit in there. So that probably is meant to work together. Here are trading coasters in a 2.5 inch size. So that probably goes in that one. And then artist trading coins as well. So you could probably finish these and do like mixed media or something and use the box to display them in. So that makes them more of a 3D sort of assemblage. That's fun. Here is a bracket edge booklet. This is new as well, and there are great printed instructions on how to assemble it in here. It has a lot of components, so I think it will be a lot of fun to create and very sturdy and substantial because this is nice thick mat board. So that will be one whole base for a double opening mini album. This one I'm particularly excited to use. It's a pop insert for cards and mini albums. So this is the mechanism you would attach your pattern paper images to and then secure it into your card. So when you open it, this would pop out and become a 3-dimensional element. There's a couple of items here that are shrines. So these are for art dolls. And there's 3 of those, and it looks like it has the front portion and then the back would be a 3D area. Here is a shrine, an ATC shrine. Once again, she has included some handy instructions on how to assemble it, and I think the picture also has it finished, so that would give you an idea of how to assemble that. So this would be a little box with a door on it. That's really cute with the dragonfly. Here are some Altoids add-ons, different face plates that you could add. This one looks like a cat. Oh yeah, there we go, it's a cat. So this would be Alice in Wonderland. I probably should have read the sticker first, right? And then inside you could put these little books. So it's an accordion style book and it's cropped perfectly to fit inside the tin. So you could put this to decorate the outside and then have the accordion book inside. Here's a couple of shrines as well. These are a little bit larger and these have feet. So it just has an extra decorative element. It's hard to see when it's in the box, but it kind of looks like it would be cute for making a 3D display. And then a mini house front box and also a tiny house front box. So it's probably easier to see how that would work. This would be the base and these components would fit into it, and then the little house would be on the front. How sweet. I'm going to play with that one soon. A couple of larger 3D elements in here. A faux book box in ATC size. This is cool. Filigree front shrine. That is really fun. So it's a shadow box. It looks like it sits flat, and then it has a kind of a scallop top. Here is a shadow box. This is 6x6. That is really perfect for home decor, and it looks like it's pretty easy to put together. Here are more of those bagatelle. I don't think I'm saying that right. If you know the correct saying or pronunciation of that, you can just leave that in the description below, because I tried to sound that out phonetically, but definitely I don't know what it is. So I've got a 2x2 here, a 2x3, and a 3x3. And like I said, I think it fits those coasters, the trading coasters and the coins, and then you can make like a display out of them. Couple last things here are the 3-inch coin coaster folder. I do not know what that is, but once I put it together, I'm sure it will make sense. So there's 3" here. These are all 3". So the last thing in the box is very cool. There are examples on the Gypsy Soul website for how people have finished these and are using them. So it's meant originally to be a square ink pad stand for your like distress inks, and you could organize those ink pads that way. I have also seen some of the designers using this for organizing and displaying her ephemera, which I think is amazing and a creative way to use this box. There's about 1,100 pieces in here, so definitely a good project to sink your teeth in while you're maybe watching a program or listening to a audiobook. But when they have them finished, they're just so practical and useful and sturdy. So this is a great addition. I wish I had room to use it for ephemera, but I'll probably wind up using it for ink pads as it is intended. So that is all. And when I say that is all, I mean, holy cow, that's so much stuff in my design team allotment for this quarter from Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts. I want to give a shout out to Gina for being the most generous and best boss ever, and I really appreciate all of these fabulous details to add to my project. So I'll leave a link in the description so you can go on over and check out her shop. She has the most amazing variety of chipboard, something for everyone, and you will definitely find loads of fun chipboard pieces to add to your project. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!